Tired of losing track of crucial details? Today, I'll show you how to supercharge your Trello workflow by linking workboard items directly to your cards. First, let's open the Trello board you'd like to work in. Now, select the specific card you want to link to a workboard item. Once you've opened the card, look for the Add to Card section on the right-hand side. Click on Power-Ups. Search for Workboard in the Power-Ups directory. Find the Workboard Power-Up and click the Add button. Once added, go back to your card. You will now see the option for Workboard below the Power-Up section. Click Workboard. You may need to log in if you haven't yet connected Trello and Workboard. Now, select the specific workboard item you want to link to this Trello card. And that's it. The chosen workboard item is now directly linked to your Trello card. This integration enhances project visibility and provides valuable context for your team members, making collaboration a breeze. Now everyone knows where to find more details with Workboard.